Hello students, welcome to another tutorial of mathematics paper 1 and arithmetic progression, just sequences and series. So basically we are going to answer two questions today, which is regarding finding the term and also finding the sum. So the question reads, given that 7, 11, 15 and 19 is an arithmetic progression. So the series that has been given is an arithmetic progression. Find A, the 10th term, and then B, the sum of the first 12 terms. So the first thing that you should know first of all is the formula. Okay, for the AP, we have number of terms is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times D, which is the common difference. So this formula that we are given can be used to find different problems. There are some instances where you'll be required to find the first term, which is A. This is the first term. There are some instances where, like in this case, we are trying to find the nth term, which is the 10th term. So you can also be required to find nth term, any term that you might be told, the 20th term, 15th term, even 50th term. And then the common difference you can also use to find common difference using this same formula. So now let's try to analyze the question and try to come up with the answer. So the series that will be given 7, 11, 15, 19, and we want to find the 10th term. What does this supposed to mean? We mean to say, if we are to continue this series 7, 11, 15, 19 for going forward, we want to find what is the term that is on the 10th. Basically, that's what we want. So for us to find that particular term, we are going to apply this formula here. For any nth term, n means number of term, which we don't know, okay, is equal to first term, which is A, plus open bracket, that particular number of term we're looking for, minus 1 times common difference, which is D. So first of all, we need to find the common difference. How do we find the common difference of this series that we've been given? So common difference in that series, the common difference formula is given as the second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. What does this supposed to mean? For as long as in the series, the number that is ahead, you subtract the number that, the first number from the number that is ahead, or the previous number from the number that is ahead, then that's the common difference. What do I mean in this scenario? What I mean is, our second term here, this is the 7 is the first term, 11 is the second term, 15 is the third term, 19 is the fourth term. So if we were trying to find the common difference, we are going to subtract second term, which is 11, minus what is our first term? That is 7. What answer are we going to get? 11 minus 7, that's a 4. We can also use this formula that is next there to find this same 4. So what is our third term in this series? Our third term is 15. Minus what is our second term? Our second term is 11. So that's basically 4 as well. So for as long as you subtract the previous term from the term that is the next term, then you get the common difference. So now we can say that we have the common difference, which is D. If it is, we are collecting data, we can have D is equal to 4. Okay, and what is our first term? A. Our first term is 7, basically. So if we have common difference 4 and first term 7, we can now find the number of term that we are looking for, which is the 10th term. So now we are going to say the term that we are looking for is the 10th term is equal to, what is our first term? Our first term is 7 plus, what is the number of term we are looking for? It is 10 minus 1. Then what is the common difference? Is 4. You've seen how simple it is. This is actually very simple. So now, if we are looking for the 10th term, we are going to say 7 plus, first of all, we need to deal with what is in the brackets. Okay? What is in the brackets first? So if we say 10 minus 4, that's basically 9. And then 4 there. So we are going to say 7 plus 9 by 4. So basically 9 by 2, that's 18. 18 plus 18, that's basically 36. Okay. So 7 plus 36. 7 plus 36, that's basically 7 plus 36, that's basically 40. It's 43. Okay, because when you get 4 from 7, we put on 36, that becomes 40, and then we are remaining with 3. So the answer becomes to be 43. So what does this 43 mean? We mean to say if you continue writing 7, 11, 15, if you continue adding 4, because the common difference is 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. You are going to reach the 10th term is going to be 43. That's basically simple. Okay? So we found our 10th term. So now we want to find the sum of first 12 terms. So first of all, what does it mean when they require you to calculate the sum? I'm not going to lab this because it will be needed, yeah. So what does it mean when they want you to find the sum of first 12 terms? So this basically means if you are to add these numbers in the series by adding 4, 4, 4, then if you add all the terms, 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19, up to the 12th term, because here we only have 4 terms, so we want the 12th term, what number are you going to get? And that's basically what we describe to be the sum. Okay, so how do we calculate the sum? Calculating the sum, we use the formula. Sum is equal to n over 2. Okay, we know the common difference, so it's okay. So sum is equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, close bracket. Okay. So this is the formula for the sum that we use actually to calculate the sum. So what is n? N is the number of terms that we are looking for. So we are looking for first 12 terms. So the number of terms that we are looking for is 12. So n is number of term in this formula. Then a is the first term. Then d is the common difference. Okay. So if we have all these, then we can calculate the sum of first 12 terms. So now let's calculate the sum of first 12 terms. First of all, let's try to identify what n is. N is basically, let me write them down. N is basically 12, because those are number of terms we're looking for. The first term is 7, and then the common difference we found is 11 minus 7, that was 4. Okay. So the common difference, if we have everything, then we can start calculating. So now the sum of 12 terms is equal to 12 divided by 2, open bracket, 2 times the first term, which is 7, plus 12 minus 1 times 4, close bracket. Okay. So the common difference, we are multiplying by d, that is 4 there. Then the number of terms here is 12. Let me write it well. So it is 2 So it is, for the sum, is going to be sum of first 12 terms is equal to 12 divided by 2. Please be writing through. Then 2, 7 plus n is 12 minus 1 times 4, then close bracket. Okay. This is minus 1, 9. So from here, all we need to do is simplify this particular mathematics further. So we are going to have 12 divided by 2, that's 6. Then 2 multiplied by 7, that's 14. Plus, what is in the bracket? 12 minus 1, that is 11. Then we are going to remain with 4 outside. Okay. So we continue moving down. We saw first what is in the bracket. 6 is going to remain. Then we are going to have 14 plus 11 times 4. That's basically 44. Okay. So now let me lab this data here. So we continue to express this. We are going to add 14 plus 44. So 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 4, that's basically 5. So now for us to find the sum of 12 terms, this is how we are going. Then we just need to multiply 6 by 8. Okay? So 8 by 5, that's basically 40. And then 8 by 6, that's 45. So we are going to have 5, remainder 4. Then 6 by 5, that's 30. Then plus 4, then that's 34. So the sum of first 12 terms, when we add them, we are going to have 345. And this basically, that's how we calculate this issue to do with the AP, arithmetic progression. For more arithmetic solvings, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming content. All right, bye-bye.